Hello, family and friends. Last week, we began the conversation about brain boosting foods to including your family's lunches. We covered blueberries, beans and lentils, hummus, nuts and seeds, and avocados. Today, we'll look at four more brain boosting foods and show you how to combine them into a simple, healthy lunch. Number one, let's take a look at vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and romaine, along with cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage, are rich in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants that support brain health. Add colorful vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, tomatoes, cucumbers, and celery for even more nutrition. Make sure you choose organic vegetables whenever possible. Wash all fresh produce thoroughly under running water. Some studies suggest that soaking produce in 1 teaspoon of baking soda mixed with 2 cups of water for 10 to 15 minutes may help remove some surface pesticide residue. Make sure you rinse well when done. How about some convenient options? If you're short on time, look for fresh cut organic vegetables or organic vegetable platters without the ranch dip. Another convenient option is Whole Foods broccoli crunch salad. It was always a favorite with my kids. You can also pair vegetables with hummus or guacamole instead of ranch dip for an extra boost of plant protein and healthy fats. Next, I want to share an easy and tasty way to cook cruciferous vegetables. Toss broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, or cabbage with extra virgin olive oil and your favorite herbs and spices. Then roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until tender and lightly browned. My favorite spices include thyme, oregano, basil, garlic, and low salt seasoning. Number two, whole grains. Whole grain bread, whole grain pita bread, brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat tortillas are complex carbohydrates that provide a steady supply of glucose, which is the brain's preferred fuel. And it is released slowly to help maintain focus throughout the day. One of my favorite whole grain pita bread is made by Atoria's Family Bakery. That's Atoria apostrophe S Family Bakery. It pairs perfectly with hummus and fresh vegetables. Other healthy choices include Dave's Killer Bread and Ezekiel's Sprouted Grain Bread. Remember to always check the labels as ingredients may change. Number three, plant-based soups. Soups are simple to prepare ahead of time and they travel well in a thermos. They are also packed with nutrients. Some of my favorites include lentil soup, split pea soup, tomato and white bean soup, and sweet potato and black bean soup. Some healthy choices include Amy's Kitchen, Pacific Foods, and Trader Joe's lentil soup. Whenever possible, choose low sodium varieties. Number four, kiwi and other colorful fruits. Kiwi is especially rich in vitamin C, even more than an orange, and also provides fiber, potassium, and antioxidants that support brain health and immunity. Other excellent choices include apples, strawberries, oranges, grapes, pears, blueberries, and raspberries. Whenever possible, choose organic fruit, especially those with higher pesticide residue, such as strawberries, blueberries, and apples. If you buy conventional produce, make sure you wash all fruit thoroughly under running water. Now let's put it all together. Here's the formula: plant protein, whole grains, vegetables, fruit, healthy fats, and water. This formula may support better focus, better memory, and lasting energy. So here's an example of a brain healthy lunch: whole grain pita with hummus, broccoli crunch from Whole Foods, a kiwi or apple, a reusable water bottle. If you have a thermos, add lentil soup for an extra boost of plant protein and fiber. Don't forget to hydrate. Water is essential for brain function. Even mild dehydration can affect concentration, memory, and mood. Pack a reusable water bottle every day and encourage your family to sip water throughout the day. And for extra flavor, add slices of cucumber, lemon, or fresh berries. Lastly, if you like a little extra help while grocery shopping, consider using a nutritional app such as Yuka, that's Yuka, to compare products and learn more about their ingredients. While no app is perfect, it can be useful to help you make more informed choices. Most importantly, focus on eating a variety of whole food that is minimally processed. Small changes packed into a lunchbox each day can lead to healthier habits, better focus, and a lifetime of better health. Here's my challenge to you. This week, build one brain healthy lunch using the simple formula. Your brain and your body will thank you. Well, that's it for today.